Hello everyone, my name is Romario Baker. Today I'll be presenting my trading simulation project titled From Volatility to Strategy, a performance analysis of active portfolio management. This presentation covers my portfolio performance, trading decisions, and key lessons learned throughout the simulation. Now let's examine my trading summary. So I started the simulation with $1 million and ended with approximately 997,000, resulting in a slight loss. While I underperformed the S&P 500 benchmark, the portfolio showed strong recovery towards the end. More importantly, this simulation helps me develop real-world trading skills. One of the biggest takeaway for me is that most of my gains came from a small number of trades, while losses were mainly due to timing and risk management mistakes. Over time, my strategy improved and diversification helped reduce overall risk. Now, let's look into my trading experience while trading on the stock chart platform. Throughout this simulation, I developed skills in technical analysis, identifying trends, and managing risk. My approach evolved from being reactive to a more structured and data driven trader. My profits were centered or concentrated in a few high performing trades. The biggest contributor was SPY, followed by Tesla, Microsoft, and Silver. These trades they performed well because I entered the market during strong market trends and allowed the positions to grow. The key lesson here is that trading success is not about making a lot of trades, but about making the right trade. I also learned the importance of patience and letting winning trades run instead of exiting too early. On the other hand, let's look at where I lost money. My losses were also concentrated in a few trades, including Tesla, energy ETFs, and Nvidia. These losses mainly came from poor entry, timing, and holding positions too long during downturns. From these losses, I learned that risk management is critical. Using stop loss strategies and exiting trades at the right time is just as important as finding profitable opportunities. I also learned to avoid emotional decision making. So this basically sums up my experience while trading on the stock chart platform. I will now move on to giving you a composition of my portfolio. So my portfolio was designed to be highly diversified. So it included stocks, ETFs, bond, mutual fund, and also cryptocurrency. Having a diverse portfolio has helped spread risk across different sectors and asset classes. Initially, I used a more passive strategy by investing in mutual funds. However, as I gained confidence and I gained more knowledge, I shifted to a more active trading approach, focusing on market timing and short term opportunities. So, as you can see, from my portfolio structure here, it comprises of four stocks: Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, NVDA, eight ETFs: SPY, QQQ, XLE, XLV, etc., bond, mutual funds, and ETH cryptocurrency. Throughout the simulation process, I would have like buy and sell these financial instruments on the stock chart platform just to keep a diversified portfolio. Now let's look at my selected company analysis. For my company analysis, I selected Tesla. Tesla is a leader in electric vehicles and clean energy, producing EVs, battery systems, and solar products. It's also known for its innovation in technology and automation. I chose Tesla because of its strong growth potential and leadership in the EV market. Its volatility also made it a good asset for trading, allowing me to learn how to manage high risk, high reward investments. Now, moving on to the overall evaluation and key takeaways from this trading simulation. So, overall, although I had a slight loss, my performance improved over time, I must say. Early mistakes came from poor timing and lack of strategy, but later gains showed better decision making and execution. For me, the biggest takeaway are that a few trades drive most returns. Risk management is essential, and discipline plays a very major role in trading success. So throughout this simulation, it gave me a valuable real life experience, as I said before, and helped me to become a more analytical and disciplined investor. Now approaching when I trade now with the knowledge I gained from trading on the StockChart platform, I now approach trading with a more structured and strategic mindset. So this presentation basically sums up my trading experience on the StockChart platform throughout the tenure of this course. I must say it was a great experience. I hope you would have learned something from my presentation. And I just want to say thank you for your time. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you.